Hi, my name is Louis from I Architect to You. If today you feel lazy and you have a very low energy to get out from your bed and do something that you love, you are potentially into demotivate yourself, right? So I know dream doesn't fulfill you every day. Every day, the thing that we work on, potentially you could have an obstacle, you could have something that make you unhappy about it. I wish I can use this video to cheer you up, then you can have energy to work towards on your dream. Number one, don't always think that this is a hard work, and don't always put things negative in front of your work. If you always put negative thought in front of your work, you always feel down, always feel that it's not going to achieve. You will feel that no way you can be there. Now, but in the way, you should turn another way around and think about it is, now whatever obstacle, whatever mistake is become your asset. Now this asset is going to give you earns, it's going to give you gain your knowledge, experience in order to prepare for yourself into the future. So just a mindset change yourself to turn something that negative to positive is tough, but that is the thing that you should do it to make yourself to have motivate. Okay, number two, reading. See, into our job, into our day, we need to make a lot of decisions, but it's not all the decision that we make we have all this knowledge. Reading is something that open your mind, open your world, open your thinking, improve your mindset so that you can have the knowledge to prepare when you want to make such tough decisions. You see, into the world there are many leaders, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett. Every day they spend at least 1 hour on their reading. Why that's so important? Because they believe that all the assets, all the informations, all the actions is in the book. Take your time to read a book a day at least for 1 hour. Number three, focus. Don't care something doesn't matter to you. Along the way, when we want to achieve some decision, we want to achieve our dream, list down all the potential and possibility, the actions that you need to do, or possibility, the problem, obstacle that you're going to face. Now, from the list, take out some of the things which is not necessary or which doesn't matter. You need to focus which is the item or which is the actions is going to create a bigger impact to your dream. So this is going to make you to stay focused and stay consistent into your actions. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my YouTube, follow my Instagram and Facebook. Hope to see you soon. Bye.